other domestic animals? Well, Wangare the storyteller will test your knowledge on that.
Hello, I hope you're ready for story time today. And for today's story, I would like us to make a game. Don't panic. It's very easy and I promise you are going to enjoy it. We will be reading from the book Flip Flap Farm Animals. Yes? And all you have to do is to listen. I will give you a description of a farm animal and you can try to guess what animal it is. Yes, we are going to play a guessing game. Are you ready? All right, here we go. I'm beautiful. My nose is pink. I have big, lovely brown eyes. I swish my long tail up and down to keep away the flies. I'm such a useful animal. I make milk twice a day. The more I eat, the more I make. So give me lots of hay. Who am I? Yes, I am a cow. Very nice. That was easy, isn't it? Let's see if you'll get the next animal. My shiny yellow beak is sharp. My comb is ruby red. I run about the yard all day and sleep inside the shed. I have 4 sharp claws upon each foot and skinny, scaly legs. I'm very soft and feathery and great at laying eggs. Who am I? You are right. I am a chicken. You're doing quite well. Let's keep going. This might be a little bit hard. Let me see if you'll get it. I heard the other animals. They keep me really busy. I run around them very fast. I sometimes feel quite dizzy. At night, I keep the farmyard safe, although I've worked all day. And if a sneaky fox slinks in, I soon chase him away. Who am I? Let me give you another clue. This is a sound I make. Woof, woof. Of course, I am a dog. I'm friendly, gentle, tall, and brave. I work the whole day through. You can take me for a ride, and I'll pull a carriage too. On my hooves, I wear shoes. They're very hard and strong. You'll hear me coming down the road as I clip-clop along. Who am I? Yeah, I am the horse. A horse makes a clip-clop noise as it walks along. Let's see if you get this other one. I'm the smallest animal you'll find down at the farm. I hide inside my tiny hole and keep away from harm. At night, I tiptoe quietly across the moonlit yard to find a grain of wheat or two. I'm always on my guard. I am a mouse. One more animal and then we wrap story time. Let me see, which animal do I pick? This is an interesting one. My ears are long and silky soft. My twitchy nose is sweet. My teeth are sharper than you'd think. They're useful when I eat. My burrow is a cozy home for all my family. The doorway is a little hole beside an old oak tree. am I? Yes, I am a rabbit. Did you enjoy the guessing game? You can find this and many more interesting books at the Textbook Center. Well, why don't you just go down and find out for yourself? Bye!